Hey y'all. Alright, it's Miss Sunshine and Little Miss Sunshine with her crazy behind today. Alright, so it's the weekend. What day it is? It's Saturday, June 29th. We are in Lowe's looking at refrigerators. And I done found me one. My budget is $1,000. And I am not cheap. That's expensive. And they are having a 4th of July sale, y'all. So the refrigerators I wanted were normally like $13 and $14.99, and now they got them on sale. One of them is $10.49 and the other one's $9.99. So I'm having them look at these refrigerators. This is the one I want. Move. Move. That's the one I want right there. So if they have it, he said they got it in the back. This is the one Little Miss Sunshine won't.
Because it's so much easier. Look at this.
She's so difficult.
Look at the shelves. Is this a spider? Oh, look at the shelves, man. That's... Wait, never mind. I don't want it. It don't have a light in here.
Jesus.
Never
But
mind.
mine has a light. Mine has a light. Oh, she don't want to show y'all. She being salty.
I mean, I guess.
Anyway, so the guy went back to check to make sure we have them back there. They make sure they have them back there. I got my little measurements with me, y'all. And I'm not playing no games. So anyways, that's what we're doing. Let's see if it works. Hopefully I can get this one because this is a good sale. It was $13.99, but now it's $9.99. That's an awesome sale. All right, we'll talk to you later. Look at her. She looking so...
Oh, I was looking at the box over there.
Y'all, listen. Oh, let me tell y'all something about this move. This move was the most horrible thing in the world. We got a few more things we need to get out of the
Why you
apartment.
trying to keep me out
But,
of the camera?
but when I tell y'all, this has been so stressful. I done about cried. I don't know how many times. Okay? And I feel like I done needed to go to the hospital a billion times. Okay? But anyway, the kids really helped with the move. But we're almost done getting settled in. It's a long process. I don't know why I thought it was really going to be a shorter process, but it's been long. But anyway, we're getting our refrigerator. That's the only major appliance we had to buy. Everything else came with the house. Praise God. So we'll see y'all in the next video.
Bye.
All right, guys, I got me a new refrigerator. Yes, I am. Oh my goodness. Y'all see it inside? It's so pretty. It is. It's so cute. Yes. Okay. All right. I thought it wasn't gonna fit, y'all, but it fits perfectly, and it's got some wheels down there. Whoop whoop. All right. Next video. Bye.